Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free, mainly beauty. Yes, I'm wearing this shirt again. I'm trying to batch film. I like project pan videos, makeup challenges, makeup reviews, mostly indie and drugstore, empties, focusing on what you have, shopping your stash. I would click subscribe, like, and hype, and let's get into this. This is round 2 of Project 10 uses. Using each product 10 times, it took me up until, let's see, I started on the 1st of January. I finished on the 30th. 30th? 29th? 30th. Yes. So it took me a while. The e.l.f., for me, it's an eyeliner, but the shadow stick and lava lamp took me the longest. The other ones I finished the week before, but I'm going to be starting this February 2nd, which is perfect. Basically, it's going to take me a whole month, maybe less, but some of these are already in other project pans. I'm doing deck of panning, obviously project 10 uses, and use 26 products in 2026. So this is not in any project pan, but this is I got the 17 Ultimate Look Finishing Powder. This is from my friend Millie. I did a UK haul back in October. So that, the Melt Perfectionist Lip Pencil in the shade Bear, which I do really like. No, it's not in a project pan. Which I had this in my previous 10 uses. The DB Hughes Tinted Lip Gloss in Pink Lavenders. It's like a lavender lip gloss with a little bit of shimmer. Urban Decay Liquid Lipstick or whatever, lips balm thingy. Lip Safe Word, what was this called? This is like 3 years old. That's how you know it's old, because I worked at Ulta 3 years ago. A green dot put on it by one of the managers so that, you know, you weren't stealing it. The shade Safe Word, just a nude. For liquid lipstick by Hot Mess Mama collab. Next 3 products are in project pans. This is in use 26 products in 2026. The Seraphine Botanicals blush palette, and then the Nomad. This is also in the use 26 products in 2026. Nomad blush, which has been long discontinued. I was gifted this by my mother-in-law 1,000 years ago. And then the NYX lip liner in the shade Bed Rose. LYS, this is also in use 26 in 2026. LYS lip oil. I'm almost done, down to here. I did mark it, but I don't have Sharpies because I have children and I don't want them to get into the Sharpies. This is the same project. Almost done with this. The Frive Cosmetics lip balm in the shade Melissa. So yeah, this is just a quick little video, but let me know if you do this project. I think it's fun to challenge yourself as well and do different looks at different products and get good use out of your products, because I don't have a huge collection, but I don't have a small collection, and things do get forgotten, and I will reach for new things or things that I'm really loving, and then things that used to be loves kind of go to the back of the drawers, if you know what I mean. So let me know if you experience that too. And if you're doing any project pans, let me know if you've done any project pans, your thoughts and feelings. Did you like them? Did you not like them? Let me know the pros and the cons and all the tea. And if you like videos like this, I would click subscribe, hype, and like again. And I will see you in my next video.